Welcome to the world of cybersecurity. Today, I want to share an exhilarating experience I had with a bug that earned us a reward. Let's dive into Blind XSS. Picture this: you leave a note for someone, but instead of them seeing it right away, it gets sent to their inbox. Now, imagine that note has secret powers to peek into their system. That's Blind XSS. I was testing a website feature, and I thought, what if I add a little magic here? So, I injected a Blind XSS payload. Days later, when an admin accessed my input, the payload triggered, exposing a serious vulnerability. This could have allowed attackers to steal data or hijack the system. But as ethical hackers, we reported it responsibly. The company recognized the bug's impact, fixed it, and rewarded us. It's amazing to be paid for making the internet safer. The lesson? Cybersecurity is an exciting field where you can turn your skills into a rewarding career. Every flaw is an opportunity to learn and grow, so dive in.